Hello everyone! In this video I will show you how to reset mouse position to center of screen. Let's create a script. We need a boolean variable to control the process of reset mouse position. I will change mouse position after player press KE. We can use trick with lock cursor and unlock it after 1 FPS to reset its position. Important is to place this code here above if instruction. In the first FPS we will lock the cursor and in the second unlock it. Now we only need to assign script on scene. I need to click on game window to have cursor in game. And now when I click E, cursor go to center of screen. Really thanks for watching.